from there we decided to go to Manali, like a night drive. I didn't know this. So we all sat inside the car, and halfway we three were arguing like we shouldn't have done night drive. One person was like, that's not wrong in doing night drive. We had a lot of argument, but what I would suggest is, if your travel agency or if your driver is confident about driving at night, then go for it. So your driver needs to be confident. Just make sure the driver gets enough sleep in the day and he can drive well at night. Because first I thought it's really risky, but in between the driver stopped at some place in a dhaba to eat, and we actually saw 2-3 cars which were actually traveling for night trip. So from that I got convinced, okay, it is a little okay to do night travel. Just make sure your driver is comfortable and experienced in it. So we had a plan that we'll reach Manali at 7 o'clock, and from there we'll directly go to river rafting. But we reached quite early. We reached at like 4:30, and then when we reached, we thought let's just go to our hotel room. So we booked this hotel called Kanishka. So it is always full. So we luckily got a room. So when we knocked at the door, the gate was closed, and he was like, go away, this door is no place. And I said, we have a reservation. Then at 4:30, there were no one in the reception. There's one person who finally came, and then he got us this room. And this room has a heater. I'll also show you the room tour. The best thing is this room has a heater, and I'm so satisfied. I was just sleeping beside the heater, and trust me, you know this one thing, let your friend sleep on the bed, you take a different cot and sleep beside the heater. That's the best feeling. You'll get enough space, you'll get enough bed sheet, and you'll get enough of the heater. So yeah, that is the thing. So now this is day 2. We are going to river rafting. I'm just gonna do like apply serum, moisturizer, lip balm, and little bit of makeup. Please carry moisturizer and lip balm. Lip balm is essential. Every half an hour you need lip balm. Okay, too much talking. Now let's do the skincare. I'll also show you my outfit of each day. I didn't take a picture, but I'll show you. I'm using the Wow Vitamin C Serum. This is really nice. It helps my acne, and it's everything you carry here becomes jelly, and it's so difficult for it to come out of the bottle that you have to keep pressing it. See? It was so liquid in Chennai, and now I can see all jelly stuff. Savior. Hi guys, so also carry like hair serum, because your hair needs that. Your hair becomes very weird, kind of dry and very tangled, so make sure you use this. It's necessary. Mine got evaporated, or I don't know, it got spilled over, but yeah, please use this. Guys, this is the window view, and I can see the mountain with the snow. I'm excited. Also, I did a nice thing to my hair. It looks pretty. Hi guys, so this is my outfit. I've done nice hairdo. I'm wearing lens today, and also I'm wearing this shirt which is like a full hand, and then a cropped denim jacket. I like the color here, and then you can actually see my thermals, but that is style. Please wear thermals, it helps you a lot in this cold. And then jeans and these shoes. Mom said it works well on the snow and all. Let's see whether it works. If it doesn't work, Mom, I'm coming for you. Yeah, this is the outfit.
place where river rafting was for a very reasonable price.
डिपार्टमेंट है, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ माउंटेनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, यही सबको परमिशन देता है इस चीज़ की। और जो लॉन्गेस्ट पैच है वो यहीं पे मिलेगा। एंड कोई डरने घबराने की जरूरत नहीं। पहले की ऑपरेटर
हाँ, विकास
शर्मा।
ठीक है
भैया,
थैंक्स।
I also took a dip in the cold ice water.
डर लग रहा है। 1
1 2 3
स्टे
नीचे ना मत वो चिपकू ऐसे अच्छी। ऐसे उठाते हैं मस्त।
Guide who gave us a very exciting river rafting ride, and he also has a YouTube channel, link in bio. After river rafting, they take you to the start point through a tempo, so you're already wet, like drenched, and on that the speed of the boat makes you feel cold and shiver.
Guys, day 4, this is my outfit. A turtleneck, on that I'm wearing this coat and jeans, and then these snowshoes. किधर पकड़ू कुछ?
नहीं पकड़ो नहीं, ऐसा ऐसा
थोड़ा आगे जाता हो
कैसे? भैया किधर बैठू?
शौक जी जाना
बस ओके, ऐसा ऐसा मैं पकड़ बस ऐसा 1 2 3
और पीछे
ये पकड़ो
काल स्टडी कर अंग पर
मैं मोटी हूँ हाँ अरे बाप रे ऊपर ऊपर गुड अरे अरे मुझे हाथ धो के उठने के लिए
It was the most cheap ride. These two girls made me sit on a wooden plank and pushed me, and it was a very nice, fun ride. Also, I met these nice Delhi people.